People seem confused by the difference between copyright strike and copyright claim on YouTube. But these both have very different effects on your channel and are easy to tell apart when you have the right knowledge. So questions like, can I use copyrighted music by giving credit in the description? Ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng copyright strike and copyright claim? May paraan ba para makaiwas sa copyright claim? Saan ka mas kabahan? Sa copyright claim or sa copyright strike? What is up, guys? This is Migo JohnZ and welcome to another vlog. So today, as you have read in our title or thumbnail, we will be talking about copyright strike and copyright claim. I'm doing this video because marami na din po nagtatanong sa akin kung ano nga ba ang difference ng copyright claim and copyright strike. So let's start with the first question. May mga tanong po dito sa atin. What is a copyright claim? I have researched about copyright claim and copyright strike so that at least meron po tayong resources and at the same time reliable po. So we have here a copyright claim. Let me read this to you. A copyright claim is issued when you've uploaded something that you do not own the copyright to. And there are three important variations these claims come in. So, but before that, of course, kapag nag-upload ka daw ng video na hindi sa'yo, especially music, videos, or images, then most probably you will be having a copyright claim. So again, there are three very important variations this claim come in. Number one, the copyright holder can monetize your video. So, pwede pa palang ma-monetize yung video mo. But this means that ads will be played on your video and paid to the rights holder. So meaning to say, magkakaroon siya ng ads once you are monetized, but the revenue will go to the rights holder. Hindi pwedeng makuha mo yung revenue galing sa ganyang video because in the first place, hindi mo pag-aari yung video na yun. Next, number two, the copyright holder can block your video in certain territories, countries, or block it worldwide. This means your video will not be visible or will not be viewed by other countries depending on where your video is blocked. Next, number three, the copyright holder may choose to do nothing or maybe pabayaan ka na lang na may-ari. So, meaning to say, magkakaroon ka din ng revenue sa video mo as long as hindi nag-claim yung may-ari ng video. Then copyright claims only apply to the videos in question and have no major effect on your channel. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano yung copyright claim. So next, number two, what is a copyright strike? Okay, here, a copyright strike is issued when you've uploaded something that you do not own the copyright to. Confusing. Very confusing kasi daw parang same lang sa copyright claim. However, okay, here is the big difference. The big difference here is that the copyright holder chooses to remove your video from YouTube. That's it. So minsan nagtataka tayo kung bakit kaka-upload mo lang ng video pero hindi mo na makita yung video mo sa channel mo, di ba? Because na-remove na ng may-ari yung video mo. Number three, may effect ba ang copyright claim sa channel mo? So as I've said, usually ang copyright claim ay nakukuha natin sa isang video clip na kinuha natin sa iba, or maybe we are using a copyrighted music. Sa totoo lang po, walang effect yung copyright claim sa channel natin. But in our video, there is. How about the copyright strike? So there are some features you could have revoked. In addition to that, you also may lose access to some features on YouTube account, and your account will no longer be in good standing. That means isang warning because you can be terminated in YouTube if you have three copyright strikes. These are some of the features you could have revoked. Number one, monetization. You won't be able to monetize your videos. Okay, once copyright strike siya, syempre hindi talaga yan mamonetize. Number 2, longer videos. You won't be able to upload longer than 15 minutes. Number 3, live streaming. Hindi din tayo pwede makapag-live stream sa ating computer once we get a copyright strike. Next, question number 4. Ano ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa? So, as I've said, the only difference here is that mas matimbang yung copyright strike kaysa copyright claim. The effect of your copyright claim will be on your video lang, and then the effect of a copyright strike is in your channel as a whole. Is it safe na maglagay ka sa description ng credits or no copyright infringement intended? Well, for me, the answer is really no. Is it not safe? Or it is not safe. That is just an evidence or proof that you use materials na hindi sa'yo. Question number 6. May paraan ba para makaiwas sa copyright claim? So kung copyright claim naman yung pag-uusapan natin, mostly makukuha natin to sa mga music, copyrighted music, videos, and images. So especially yung mga images na mga sikat, usually nagkakaroon din yan ng copyright claim. Ano bang paraan para makaiwas tayo sa copyright claim? Isa lang naman ang dapat natin gawin. Kailangan mo lang gumawa ng sarili mong video. Kailangan mo rin kumuha ng mga music na walang copyright, especially sa YouTube library. What if magkaroon ka ng copyright claim? Ano nga ba ang mga ways natin para matanggal to? So there are actually four ways. Number 1, trim. So I'm sure alam niyo po kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng trim since we are editing our video, nagtitrim din po tayo. Number 2, we have to mute. Of course, alam din po natin kung paano i-mute yung video natin. Next, number 3, we have to replace. So replace. So sa replace naman po, kailangan lang nating i-replace yung music natin na ginamit. So pwede kang kumuha ng mga music again sa library ng YouTube. Number 4, you have to dispute. Dispute if you believe it is just misidentified. So alam mong sa'yo talaga yung video, sa'yo talaga yung music, then dispute it. You can actually file a dispute. However, it's not a guarantee na mawawala yung copyright claim worth when you dispute it. Number 7, saan ba ako dapat mas kabahan? Okay, kung pagpipiliin ako sa dalawa, mas kabahan ako actually sa copyright strike kaysa copyright claim. As I've said, ang epekto ng copyright claim ay sa video mo lang. However, ang epekto ng copyright strike ay sa buong channel mo. Bakit? Once you get 3 copyright strikes, your channel will be terminated and you will be banned from creating another YouTube channel. But copyright strikes expires. So, mag-i-expire siya in 6 months. So, as you have learned from this video, a copyright strike is much more serious than a copyright claim. Para na lang po tayo makaiwas sa copyright claim and copyright strike, iwasan po natin kumuha ng mga videos, images, and music na hindi sa atin. And to conclude this, a copyright claim may spell disaster for one video, but copyright strikes can spell disaster for your whole channel. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching from me, Migo JohnZ. Stay safe and God bless.